talk to you today about radishes. So these are the couple of radishes that I planted this year. The reason why I plant radishes is I tried them a few years ago and they went really well. So I planted these guys. One is like Cherry Bell, one is German Giant. It's the first year I plant German Giant, so we'll see how that goes. So radishes, if you want to point down, they actually already started growing. So if you can come closer, you can see all the little radish leaves are growing here, right there. And you can see them all along the rows. I only planted them maybe 2 weeks ago, so this is cool. I think they were about ½ inch under the ground, so can't be too deep in the ground because you want the leaves to come up and start growing right away. Hey, cool things about radishes that I found out from when I planted them a few years ago. So the stalks will grow. You'll see like the bushy stalks, greenery, pretty high. You know when they're ready because literally they pop out of the ground and you will see from the little holes where they are, you're gonna see some deep pink and red. And then you know they're ready. That's it. You don't have to worry about it. Once they start kind of like popping out of the ground, you know they're ready. The one cool thing I found out is if you let the green tops of the radishes grow too high, the radish will become a little too bitter. So if you like radishes with just a little hint of bitterness, pick them a little bit earlier. If you want them with a lot more bitterness, let the stalks grow much higher. So that's it. There really isn't nothing special that I did. I just dug the holes, put them in, and 2 weeks later, they started coming out. So I'm hoping we have a lot of good radishes this year. Take care, everyone.